Hi, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Here is the assignment for week 7 of Tech Ed. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to finish up our solar farm creation. If you remember last week, we took the screenshots looking at different schools in the school district, right? You're going to bring all your information back to this worksheet. I'll show you in a moment. It's going to be a little math all morning, but it won't be bad. I'll walk you through it. Okay, so let's just jump back to last week. So last week, we took all of our screenshots, right? I did Emmaus High School, if you remember from the video. And in each screenshot, if you remember on the bottom, you have the total area. So 22,400.02. All right, if you look at this one, it was 31,257.46. All right, each one of them has it. So we need all four of those numbers, and we need to bring them back. And those are going to go on line 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to fill those in. Now, I worked ahead a little bit because I didn't want to take too long on this video, and I filled the numbers in already. So I took those four numbers off of my screenshots. I put them right here. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Brought those numbers over. Now, next up, we go to line 5, and it says that we're going to add all those numbers from lines 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're going to add them all together, and we get 85,868.34 square feet. That's the total square footage of our solar farm. Coming down to line 6, we're going to multiply that square footage by 8.2 kilowatt hours, and we'll put the answer here. All right, that's a big number, 704,120.4 kilowatt hours. So that is the amount of electric that our solar farm would produce in 1 year. We come on down to line 7. If we divide our previous answer in line 6 by 10,909 kilowatt hours, that's the amount the average house in the United States uses. We'll find out how many houses our solar farm would power. And when I did that, I found that my solar farm on Emmaus High School's roof and parking lot would power 64 and a half houses for an entire year. Now, of course, that electric could go into the school. It could go to a restaurant. It could go to a factory. But just as a point of comparison, we're talking about homes. All right. And then finally, what I'm going to ask you to do is just answer these three questions for me with a sentence or two. I'd like to know what you thought about the number of homes. Was it more than you thought, less than you thought? I think it was a good idea. Next question, I would like you to estimate, could we have put more solar panels out there? You think we could have put 2 times, 10 times, 100 times? You could give me a number. You don't have to use one of those, but what do you think it could be 36 times? I mean, you tell me what you think it could be. All right, no need for an exact calculation. Just give me an educated guess. And then finally, on the bottom here, do you think building a solar farm would be a good idea? I'm curious of your explanation. Why do you think it would be a good idea, or why do you think it would be a bad idea? All right, look forward to seeing what you guys have. Be well, and this is our last assignment, so have a great summer. Enjoy. See you next year. And for those who go into high school, good luck in high school.